What is actually poppin', YouTube? How you been? How you doing? And how your freaking day been? Because you know I wanna know. You feel me? So today we doing a how to get waves video. I mean, cause I know y'all want it. I know y'all wanna know. And how to get them fast. Cause y'all know I just started this at like the end of February. I'm swimming and I'm swimming. And you're mad. No, I'm playing. But I'm still better than your boyfriend. And your best friend. And whatever guy or girl in your life who got waves, I'm better. So, yeah. I'm gonna put you on game. So, you know, let's get right into this. So, number one, brush with a mirror. Always, okay? Always brush with a mirror. Because if you're brushing and you can't even see your hair, you're gonna mess up your hair. You're not even gonna get no connection. You're not gonna be building any connections. You're not gonna build any depth. She's gonna be crooked, okay? So always brush with a mirror. Number two, do not wear a do-rag all day. Cause what y'all doing is, y'all cutting off the circulation in your head. And that's not good for anything. That's not gonna let your hair grow. That's not gonna let your hair be moisturized. It's just gonna, there's no blood flow going to your scalp. So don't do that. And plus it's not necessary. Literally, I only wear a do-rag at night. That's it. I don't brush my hair all day, every day. I brush it at night. That's it. Wearing a do-rag all day is not gonna help anything. If you're wearing a do-rag all day, if anybody's wearing a do-rag all day, they don't have waves, okay? Their hair looks like Velcro. Their hair looks scary and they're embarrassed. Wolf for about like a month every 2 months. So I just wolf. I don't wolf like super long because I just don't feel like it's necessary. At least for me, all I have to do is like wolf for a month and then get my connections right and then cut it back down. I don't cut it back down like too far. Like it's usually just like this. Like a little bit shorter than this is because this is like 2 weeks old. But yeah, you just, I mean, if you wolf for like 27 weeks or something, that's your business. Good job, kudos to you. Not doing it, it looks crazy. That's another thing. If you, I understand why you're wearing a do-rag. If you've been wolfing for that long, not necessary in my opinion, but if you've been wolfing for that long, keep it on, keep the do-rag on. Okay, so this is being filmed on 2 different days. If you cannot tell, because I'm wearing different clothes. I need a haircut, I'm aware. I'm sorry. So it's kind of contradictory filming this video, but you can still see the waves popping. Kind of, because I haven't really been following my own hints, tips, my own directions, I guess. Not practicing what I'm preaching because I was busy, so I didn't have time to brush my hair. But if you want your waves popping, then do what I'm telling you to do, period. Now, I'm pretty sure that I left off with washing styles. So washing styles are key, okay? Like washing your hair while it's wet, and washing it like, washing your hair while it's wet, oh my gosh. Brushing your hair while it's wet and washing your, like brushing your hair while you're washing it is like key, okay? Because that really molds your hair. Like if you're a girl, think about it. Whenever you do braid outs, you do your braid outs when your hair is wet, because your hair is trained into that position as it dries. So if your hair is wet and you're training it to wave in a certain pattern, you're training to lay down a certain way while it's wet, then it's gonna dry in that same pattern. And then eventually your hair just starts growing like that and it gets trained to do the same thing. It works while it's dry, but it doesn't last as long. Like it's not as effective as whenever it's wet. Because like once again, back to the braid out thing, whenever like as a girl, I know that if I braided my hair whenever I just blow dried it or whenever it was just dry, then they're not gonna stay as long. Like those curls are going to fall. Like they're not gonna be as popping and as juicy and as moisturized and as nice as if I did it whenever it was wet. And I think that's why a lot of guys think that like girls get waves faster. No, we just know how to do our hair. Y'all don't. So yeah, washing styles are key, okay? Number 5, I use coconut and castor oil in my hair, and it keeps it so shiny and moisturized. So you don't have to use those, but like I don't use pomades, I don't use any kind of like creams or something. I don't know, I don't use anything like that. All I use is oils in my hair. That's literally it. I use oils unless I'm shampooing it, then I use shampoo. But coconut oil adds in the moisture, and it's just like a shine because it's a thinner oil. But the castor oil, it like lays it down really nice. I'm gonna start, I think I might start using olive oil too, like making a little concoction. And I know whenever I start my natural hair care line, I'll definitely have, like, I'll definitely put one out for y'all. But it's gonna be a little bit unconventional because, like I said, I don't use pomades. But if y'all do want me to make a pomade, then I will make a pomade for y'all. But yeah, I don't think you need it though. So I use the castor oil at night, because at night I want it to lay down so in the morning it looks shiny and nice. Like it's all laid down and whatever I want it to be, you know, in the morning. So I usually use that at night whenever I brush, and then in the morning I don't brush at all. In the morning, all I do is put the coconut, like rub some coconut oil in my hands and put it all over my hair. And if I do brush, it's with like a super soft brush, and that's just to push the oil into my hair even more. So you could use like a plastic bag for that instead, because that lays down flyaways. Plastic bags are, get you a Ziploc bag. If you ain't got no Ziploc bags, you not haven't been using Ziploc bags in your hair, especially during washing styles, get you one, okay? Because them Ziploc bags hit different. They lay your flyaways down like no other. What frizz, okay? What frizz? But yeah, so let's just go through this real quick. So number 1, always brush with a mirror. Never blind brush, okay? Number 2, do not wear a do-rag all day unless you're wolfing. If you're wolfing, I'll let you slide, but you're cutting off your circulation. So I just think, you know, if you're gonna wear it all day, wear it loosely. Just so if you're just trying to cover up your hair, wear it loosely, because you're gonna cut off the circulation. Your hair's not gonna grow. It's not gonna be the blood flow isn't gonna be right. You're not gonna have as much moisture going into your hair. It's just not good, you know. Number 3, wolf for about a month every 2 months. Number 4, washing styles. Wash your hair. Brush your hair while you're washing it. Period. Or whenever it's wet, because it helps a lot. Number 5, use coconut oil and castor oil in your hair. In my humble opinion, use that. If that doesn't work for you though, just keep it moisturized. Make sure you keep your hair moisturized, because if it's dry, it's not gonna do what you want it to do. Period. It's a lot more manageable whenever it's moisturized. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below what other videos y'all want me to do.